exercises 1 through 9. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Could Lisa go to lunch with her coworkers today?
No, she couldn't. She was too busy.
2.
Could Sasha finish his homework last night?
No, he couldn't. He was too tired.
3.
Could Max and Ruth finish their dinner yesterday?
No, they couldn't. They were too full.
4.
Could you and your brother go to school yesterday?
No, we couldn't. We were too sick.
5.
Could you walk the day after your operation?
No, I couldn't. I was too weak.
6.
Could Timmy get into the movie last night?
No, he couldn't. He was too young.
7.
Could Ben tell the police officer about the accident?
No, he couldn't. He was too upset.
8.
Could Rita perform in school plays when she was young?
No, she couldn't. She was too shy.
9.
Could Stuart and Gloria eat at their wedding?
No, they couldn't. They were too nervous.
They weren't able to. Listen to the model.
Was Jimmy able to lift his grandmother's suitcase?
No, he wasn't able to. It was too heavy.
Do exercises 1 through 8. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Was Diane able to sit down on the subway this morning?
No, she wasn't able to. It was too crowded.
2.
Was Charlie able to eat the food at the restaurant last night?
No, he wasn't able to. It was too spicy.
3.
Were Nancy and Mark able to go camping last weekend?
No, they weren't able to. It was too windy.
4.
Were you able to solve the math problem last night?
No, I wasn't able to. It was too difficult.
5.
Was Kathy able to find her cat last night?
No, she wasn't able to. It was too dark.
6.
Were your parents able to swim in the ocean during their vacation?
No, they weren't able to. It was too cold.
7.
Was Tracy able to put her hair in a ponytail?
No, she wasn't able to. It was too short.
8.
Was Ricky able to wear his brother's tuxedo to the prom?
No, he wasn't able to. It was too small.
She had to study for an examination. Listen to the model.
Did Barbara enjoy herself at the concert last night?
Unfortunately, she wasn't able to go to the concert last night. She had to study for an examination.
Listen again.
Did Barbara enjoy herself at the concert last night?
Unfortunately, she couldn't go to the concert last night. She had to study for an examination.
Do exercises 1 through 4. Use couldn't in your answers. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Did Paul enjoy himself at the tennis match last week?
Unfortunately, he couldn't go to the tennis match last week. He had to visit his boss in the hospital.
2.
Did Amanda enjoy herself at the soccer game yesterday afternoon?
Unfortunately, she couldn't go to the soccer game yesterday afternoon. She had to go to the eye doctor.
3.
Did you and your co-workers enjoy yourselves at the movies last night?
Unfortunately, we couldn't go to the movies last night. We had to work overtime.
4.
Did Mr. and Mrs. Lee enjoy themselves at the symphony yesterday?
Unfortunately, they couldn't go to the symphony yesterday. They had to wait for the plumber.
Do exercises 5 through 7. Use able to in your answers. We'll begin. 5.
Did you enjoy yourself at the picnic last weekend?
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go to the picnic last weekend. I had to work on my science project.
6.
Did Ralph enjoy himself at the amusement park last Sunday?
Unfortunately, he wasn't able to go to the amusement park last Sunday. He had to fix a flat tire.
7.
Did Carla enjoy herself at the school dance last Saturday night?
Unfortunately, she wasn't able to go to the school dance last Saturday night. She had to babysit for her neighbors.